I'm Linda, and I am from Geneva,
I'm Charlie, and I'm from St. Charles, Illinois.
Illinois.
First saw the drifter van in Black Hills and Gunnison with Mallory and her husband.
She invited us on.
She allowed us to look. We said, wow, the space compared to what we had was much more open.
Check her out.
Oh yeah, that's the door. That's the door.
Oh, wow.
Based on Linda's reaction, which she did not want to give when we showed up, when she saw the van, she was, oh my God.
Stephanie was the biggest help, and that was awesome. And she was awesome and walked us through the whole process. And we wanted it to feel like a little home. The door is probably the biggest, I think, the biggest focal feature.
Home.
Well, we wanted it to be different.
Right.
The door different, like say, pop.
Yeah.
Definitely pops. Are the people to make it your own and not just something that you just pick up at a showroom. The table, I like the table a lot
I like
too.
the table a lot. It's actually,
Because-
and it's bigger than what I thought it was
Yeah.
going to be wider.
But it's
more
nice
space.
because you use it or you don't. All of their little tricks and things that they do are amazing. That is
Yeah.
beautiful.
Wow.
Wow. The door, the partition door, that is it. Because that seals off driver area to the living space, which then makes it a home.
You gotta do that, and then it locks over here.
Cool.
Nice divider wall.
Beautiful. And so it's like a lot of space.
Yeah,
Huge space. It's huge. The money you save in property taxes and mortgage, you pay that. You have your insurance, you have gas. You want to stay in BLM land where you don't have any cost. You want to stay in a campground where you have costs and showers and water and whatever else. The flexibility.
Flexibility is
And the
what this is
options
gonna bring us,
are
the
endless.
flexibility, yeah. Thank you, Drifter.
Are you
for
kidding me? Thank you, Drifter.
Yep.
Thank you.
Making our
Incredible job
dreams
done.
come true.
Fantastic company to work with and a fantastic build. And now the adventure will really begin.